Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to schedule reels on Instagram. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you one thing. If you do not have the Instagram professional account, then you cannot schedule reels. And there is no official way by which you can schedule reels on Instagram with your simple account. So how can you do it? For this I have a method, and with the help of my method you can schedule reels on your Instagram simple account. So let's start it. First open the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once it will be open, search for an app, and the name of the app is Letter. And on the first number you can see the application Letter. Tap on it and install this application. I already installed this in my mobile phone, so I will not reinstall it, and just I will open this application in my mobile phone. Here is the application. Maybe it takes some time when you will open the first time, because it always take time for loading its library. After it opens, tap on the account which is on the right bottom, and here the first thing you will do here is you have to log in your Instagram account. As you can see, I have already logged in my account. After logging in, tap on the option media which is on the left bottom. Again, you have to upload your media by tapping on this plus icon which is on the right bottom and choose what you want to upload. If you want to upload something from your mobile phone media, then tap on the option photo library. Then the media will be open and choose something. As you can see, I have already uploaded my videos in this application, so that's why I will not re-upload these. After uploading the reels, tap on the option schedule which is on the bottom of my mobile screen. And here, take a look on the right bottom, you will see a pencil icon. Tap on it. From here, tap on the option plus. From here, you have to choose your video. Just for showing you, I will choose this. Now scroll down. If you want to write captions, then write by yourself. I will not change anything else. The last thing I have to do is I need to tap on the option schedule post which is on the right bottom. And here I have to select date and time. Just for example, I will select 8 September. After selecting, tap on the option OK. Here select the time. I will select this and tapping on the option OK. Here you can see my post has been scheduled and it will be uploaded automatically on that exact date and time. And it was the way by which you can schedule reels on your Instagram simple account.